Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Picture this, a backyard where every element has purpose, where clean lines create calm, and where beauty comes from simplicity. No clutter, no chaos, just serene, sophisticated outdoor living that feels like a breath of fresh air. Today, we're exploring over 100 modern minimalist landscaping ideas designed for luxury backyards that prioritize clean lines and low maintenance. Whether you have a compact courtyard or an expansive yard, these inspiring designs show how intentional simplicity can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil retreat that looks expensive, feels luxurious, and surprisingly, asks very little of your time. As we move through these stunning spaces, notice how minimalist landscaping isn't about emptiness, it's about intention. Every plant, every stone, every line of light serves a purpose. You'll see how geometric hardscaping and materials like honed limestone, polished concrete, and large format porcelain creates a timeless foundation that requires minimal upkeep. Architectural plants take center stage, here ornamental grasses that sway gently in the breeze, sculptural succulents that hold their form year-round, and statement trees like Japanese maples or olive trees that become living art. These selections thrive with minimal attention while delivering maximum visual impact. Water features in minimalist gardens are subtle yet powerful, linear rills with gentle flow, rectangular reflecting pools with mirror-like surfaces, or quiet bubbling elements that add tranquility without complexity. Paired with integrated LED lighting that washes walls or highlights textures, these spaces transform beautifully from day to evening. The magic lies in the details, hidden irrigation systems that water precisely where needed, recessed lighting that appears to glow from nowhere, and built-in seating that disappears into clean architectural lines. Smart technology and sustainable choices like drought-tolerant plantings and permeable surfaces make these gardens as responsible as they are refined. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would bring peace to your own outdoor space. Would you prefer the cool sophistication of charcoal porcelain pavers and black steel accents? Or does your heart lean toward warm limestone and soft white walls that glow in the evening light? Consider your lifestyle. Do you crave a quiet morning retreat for coffee and contemplation? Perhaps a simple reflecting pool and a single sculptural tree create the perfect focal point. Do you love entertaining? Integrated seating and subtle lighting transform minimalist spaces into elegant gathering places. Do you travel often? Drought-tolerant plants and automated irrigation keep your garden thriving in your absence. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the serene calm of a Zen-inspired courtyard? The crisp elegance of contemporary architecture? The timeless simplicity of Mediterranean minimalism? Each of these visions is achievable through the power of intentional, minimalist design. If these modern minimalist landscaping ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, functional outdoor spaces that elevate your everyday life without overwhelming your schedule. We're here to help you design the serene, sophisticated retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of minimalist landscaping inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and show you the profound beauty